The 2013 Honda CRF250R. Agile, reliable and strong, the Honda CRF250R is ready to conquer any terrain with poise. In its wild adventures, the motorcycle is helped by a lively 249cc, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder, 4-stroke engine that sends power to the rear wheel through a close-ratio 5-speed transmission. To be able to deal with tough terrains without breaking down, the bike needed a set of very capable suspensions. Thereby Honda equipped its CRF250R with 48mm inverted Showa cartridge front forks with 16-position rebound and 16-position compression damping adjustability and rear Pro-Link Showa single shocks with spring preload, 17-position rebound damping adjustability, and compression damping adjustment. All components are mounted on a race-inspired twin-spar aluminum frame which keeps the motorcycle weight to as low as possible without affecting its torsional stiffness. The Honda CRF250R is offered with a starting price of $7,420. Hit the jump for more information on the Honda CRF250R. Overview. Anyone who's ever raced in the lights class knows that your bike better be perfect if you expect to win. With a 450, all that power can help you erase a mistake, but on a 250 if you give an inch the rest of the pack is going to use you for traction. That's why the new 2013 CRF250R doesn't give an inch. We took the 2012 Lights East and West SX Champion and gave it an even sharper edge. Updates include a larger high-speed compression adjuster on the shock for improved low-speed damping, along with a stiffer fork spring up front and more high-speed compression damping adjustability in the rear. New Dunlop MX-51 tires improve drive feeling and save weight, and new disc covers channel some of the 450 style into the 250 class. Of course we've kept the features that put the CRF250R on the top podium box all across the country: its twin-spar aluminum frame, Unicam engine with fuel injection, new AQ settings this year for better low and mid RPM performance, and the exclusive Honda progressive steering damper. All in all, it's the most dialed-in 250 we've ever produced, which means it's way more dialed than anything else on the track. Balance is the key to winning in the lights class. You need a bike that offers performance, responsiveness and rider-friendly ergonomics, all in equal amounts, the more refined the better. And that's exactly what the 2013 CRF250R offers. Last year we gave it some major engine upgrades, this year we've fine-tuned the suspension. The result is a machine that a wide range of riders can use to full advantage on the track. Add in the new Dunlop MX-51 tires designed specifically for this bike, and from the time the first start gate drops you'll know you're on the best lights class 1010 bike you've ever ridden. Honda Progressive Steering Damper (HPSD). The HPSD is designed to work in conjunction with the front and rear suspension to give you unmatched steering precision under braking, acceleration, and in the whoops, ruts, and hardpack. There's nothing like it. 94 decibels exhaust system. The CRF250R's silencer teams with the bike's fuel injection throttle body and injector to give you superior low and mid-range power. Legal for AMA competition, it's fully integrated into the engine's tuning concept. Lightweight aluminum frame. The CRF250R's race-inspired twin-spar aluminum frame revolutionized MX chassis tech when it first appeared in 1997 on the radical CR250R and has continued to do so every year since. The CRF250R's frame boasts optimized torsional and lateral rigidity with minimized weight and maximum durability, ensuring razor-sharp handling performance. Rear suspension. The CRF250R's fully adjustable rear suspension gets a larger high-speed compression adjuster on the shock for improved high-speed damping and bump absorption. Revised front suspension. A Showa 48mm inverted front suspension features full adjustability for rebound and compression damping. For 2013, a new, larger diameter sub-piston improves low-speed damping for a more controlled, better balanced ride. Works style brakes. Honda's MX bikes have always had great brakes on the track, and the 2013 CRF250R continues that tradition. Front and rear discs with factory-spec master cylinders help haul you down fast, so you can outbrake the other guy into the turns. New Dunlop MX-51 tires. We designed the 2013 CRF250R suspension to perfectly coordinate with these premium tires. And the tires themselves are brand new too, a lighter weight and designed specifically for your new CRF. You'll experience improved traction front and rear, especially in corners and under acceleration. Specifications.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.